What is up, everyone? This is Moturals, and today I'm going to show you how to get texture packs for Minecraft Bedrock. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to get the texture packs for your Minecraft Bedrock edition, the easiest way to do this is to go to one of the Minecraft, basically mod websites. So this one, MCPEDL, is a good one as an example. You want to essentially go and find a specific texture pack. Let's just say Better Glass, for example, right? Once you do this, all you need to do is essentially download the specific MPack. It's a .mcpack file. Once you download this, you're going to see essentially, it asks you the usual stuff, robot, all that other good stuff if you are or you're not. Basically, once this downloads, all you need to then do is just literally click into that specific file itself, and then it's going to automatically install into Minecraft Bedrock itself. That's it. That's all you need to do. Then once you do that, you can go into your resource pack or texture pack in Minecraft itself, and you will see it there, and you guys should be good to go, and you will have that specific texture pack. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell on that. More tutorials out. Peace.